If you have the Apple Vision Pro and you're going to do some traveling with it, this is the most important accessory to have. The Apple Vision Pro travel case. The one I have right here is the official Apple one. I'll show you what comes with it. Inside of the case, you'll see a little compartment for storing the battery, which has all of the product documentation in there. When you put the headset inside of the case, you actually fasten it into position by lifting up a Velcro strap and then pushing that piece in the middle forward to secure your Apple Vision Pro within the case. Then there's a little slot to tuck in the battery. You can wrap up the cable and keep that secured with a strap that goes over top of that, and then there's a little pouch inside for your accessories like your charging cable. I've used Apple Vision Pro now on flights, and it is so great for watching movies. Like, the rest of the plane is tuned out for you, and because of the shape of the case and the handle that's built into the top, it makes a great carry-on item for the plane. Let me know your questions about traveling with Apple Vision Pro because I want to do a longer video, so hit me up in the comments.